This is question 3 on the November Foundation non-calculator paper. Okay, so this question says, first part, A, work out, so they want us to work out 50% of 86. Now I know that 50% means a half. So what they want me to do is to find half of 86. Now half of 86, you could break that up into stages. Half of 80 is 40, half of 6 is 3. So altogether that's going to be 43, and that's my answer, 43. You could have also done 86 divided by 2, and that would get you 43 as well. So pretty straightforward there. Going on to part B. Part B, again, it says to work it out. So work out, and we've got here 3 plus 5 times 2. Well, to be able to do this, I need to understand BIDMAS, B-I-D-M-A-S, brackets, indices, divide, multiply, add, and subtract. And in this question, I've got 3 added to 5 and then multiply by 2. And what I need to find out is which one of those do I need to do first. Do I need to do the multiply first or the add first? And for BIDMAS, you work down the line. This says M comes before A, so multiply first. I need to work out 5 times 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. And to 10, I'm going to add 3, and so my answer is 13. This is a really popular type question, and make sure you understand BIDMAS and how to use it with questions of this type. Then part C. Part C says, write down an estimate for the square root of 60. Write down an estimate for the square root of 60. Now for this question, you need to know your square numbers, right? And thinking about the square numbers, well, I know that 7 squared, 7 times 7 is 49. And I know that 8 squared, which is 8 times 8, is 64. Now this number here, 60, right, is between those two. And why is that important? Well, the square root of 49 is 7, and the square root of 64 is 8. So the square root of 60 is going to be somewhere between 7 and 8. And in fact, the answer, the examiners will accept any number between 7 and 8 for the square root of 60. Now 60 is close to 64, so I'm going to make a guess, and I'm going to put, that would be 7.8. But I looked at the mark scheme for this, and the mark scheme says accept anything from 7.1 to 7.9. Yep. So any answer in that range, anything between 7 and 8, right, will get you that mark for there. Now this is a new type of question, right? It's one that I haven't seen before. Make sure you understand it, and make sure you could get full marks in all 3 parts of this question.